How to redeem sub code on Twitch. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can redeem sub code on Twitch. So how do you go about it? The first step is to log in into your web browser this way, and then go ahead to type twitch.tv/redeem. So once you've done that, you'll be brought to the page where you'd see a number of blog posts displaying redeem code, Twitch gift card, etc. Just select the option redeem code, and by selecting that, you'll be redirected to your Twitch account where you'll be asked to log in and the likes to ensure you are logged in. So once you are logged in, automatically you'll be brought to the redeem your Twitch code page. Now the reason why it brought me to this page is because I have logged in into my account already. So take note of that. For you, you might be asked to log in again. All right, just ensure you log in, and then once you're on this page, go ahead to enter in your gift code here that you would like to redeem, and then the redeem button will be available. Click on redeem, and just like that, your gift code would be redeemed automatically. So once it's redeemed, the subscription will be added to your account, and then you can enjoy the perks that comes with it. So that is how to go about it. This is how you can redeem your sub code on Twitch. Thank you very much for watching, and go ahead to try this out now. Have a good day.